Hello, good morning. Today we're going to learn the chapter 5 network part 6 subgraph. Okay, the first one, what is the subgraph? A subgraph is part of the graph or the whole graph redrawn without changing the original position of the vertices and edges. Okay, a graph H is said to be the subgraph of G if, so you need to fulfill these three. Okay, A, the vertex set of graph H is a subset of the vertex set of graph G. B, the edge set of graph H is the subset of the edge set of graph G. C, the vertex pair of the edges of graph H are the same as the edges of graph G. Okay, I will show you the example of A, B, C. So now we look at the example A first. Okay, so I gave you 4 vertices A, B, C, D. Okay, so E1 is the H1, E2 is the H2, E3, E4, and E5. E5 is referred to the loop of the graph. So if I give you 1 point only A, so we can say this fulfill the vertex set of graph H is the subset of the vertex set of graph G. So this one is all the graph H. So we say this is the subgraph of graph G. So the second one, I gave you 2 points. So vertex A and vertex C. So yes, this is the subgraph. Okay, I gave you another example. K. So because the graph G is ABCD, so this one K is not belong to the subgraph. So I circle K. Okay, again. B, the edge set of graph H is a subset of the edge set of graph G. Okay, I give you the same graph. Okay, so vertex A, vertex B. So the edge is E4. So now you look at the graph G, also E4. So we say this is the subgraph of graph G. Okay, now the second one. Okay, the second one also subgraph of graph G, B, C, D. So this is E1, this is E2. Same with this one, graph G. Okay, the second example for B. Okay, A, B. So this is E6. So automatic, this is not a subgraph because if you base on the graph G, this one would be E4. So I circle the E6. Okay, another one. I give you BCD. So this is also not the subgraph of graph G because wrong. E7 and E8. Here, graph G shown E1 and E2. So, same also, we look at the third example for B. Okay, the B is not a subgraph. You can see very clearly, right? The loop of the graph is at A. But here, the graph H, they give you the loop of the graph at D. So, this is exactly wrong. They don't keep the position. So, this is not a subgraph of graph G. So I circle this one, the root of the graph, E5. So it's not at B, the original at the text A. So conclusion, this is not a subgraph of graph G. Okay, now I show you the C, the example for C. The vertex pair of the edges of graph H are the same as the edges of graph G. Okay, so the first example, A, D. So we check. So this one, the E3, yes, H is E3. So the pair is AD, AD. So correct, this is the subgraph. Okay, this one is not a subgraph because the point at T, you can see or not, the graph G is D, but here they give you T, so I circle T. T is not same with D, so it means this graph H is not a subgraph of graph G. Okay, the second example for C. Okay, so we check one by one. So A, D, C. A, D, C. So E3, E2, E3, E2. So we can say that this is the subgraph of graph G. So today I will stop subgraph. So next lesson I will teach you tree. Okay, the tree graph. Okay, thank you.